Hi, I'm Petra from Collab Teams. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message in Slack. Let's get into it. To send a direct message to someone within your workspace, you go to the left-hand side menu. You will see the heading here, direct messages. Below that one, you will see everyone who is invited to your workspace. Now, what I can do is click on the person's name. You're always going to see your name as well, which is a spot that you can just write notes to yourself or leave any messages that you want to keep handy. But you will see all of the co-workers' name down here that you've invited as well, and you can just send them a direct message if you want to have a conversation just one-on-one with them. Now, sometimes this is super helpful if your channels are mostly around team and you might have multiple people and your direct messages become just the chat between you and that person. So what you do is you just click on the name, and exactly like you would type into a channel, you will send your message. You can send images, files, voice message, and so forth. You can also set up a direct message in between multiple people. So the way you do this is you go up to this top button, new message, you click on that, you'll see a new message box will open up, and you can then start typing in the names of the people that you would like to invite to this direct message. Now, this could be really handy if you are just wanting to quickly make sure that, say, 2 people on your team get this same message, or you may want to connect 2 people in your team. So say they haven't been working together. If you have a virtual team, you might go, hey, Lisa and Steve, I just wanted to introduce you to each other. You're now working on this project together, and then you can be a part of the messages that they're sending so that you are keeping on track of what conversations are happening and how the project is moving forward, for example. You can also type in just the one person if they don't come up in your favorites list down the side here. And you can, of course, create a new message within a channel as well by doing this way. But I always find it easier just to click into whatever channel I'm writing to and do it that way instead. So if I wanted to write in social media, I click on social media and then I type it down the bottom here. So that's just a quick video on how to use direct messages within your team and your business, how you can send a message to yourself or to just a one person, or even send a direct message to multiple people on your team. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel or visit our website, collabteams.com.au. See you next time.